Hi, my name is Ron, and this week I'm finally starting a marathon that many of you have been waiting for. My starting deposit is just $1, and my ambitious goal is to reach $100,000. It might not be easy, but that's the whole point of this challenge. And needless to say that every step and every decision I will show quite openly. In this marathon, I'll be using different strategies and show how they work in practice. So I recommend to follow these episodes because we've got far more interesting experiments and trading solutions ahead. By the way, if you'd like to follow this marathon live with my comments and explaining my actions in real time, you are very welcome to join my Telegram channel. There I share fresh strategies and in-the-moment commentary. The link is in the video description. Please come and check. So I've learned one important thing: never skip platform setup. With the right setup, you increase your chances of growing your balance because the signals become much clearer. Today the chart type is candlestick, time frame 3 minutes. For my strategy, this fits perfectly. The core indicators are MACD and Bollinger Bands. They work great together. Adding Bollinger Band settings. Period 5, deviation 2. There are standard settings that show the price corridor and levels for reversals. For style, I remove the middle line, leave only the upper and lower channel borders, color them green and red, and make them bolder. Now MACD settings. Fast period 12, fast average. Slow period 15, slow average. Signal period 5, smooth and forced signals. This makes MACD quite sensitive. For style, I just make the lines brighter, easier to read. And we're done. So are you ready? Because I cannot wait to start. My balance right now is exactly $1. I've already found an entry point, so I'm opening a 3-minute trade down with $1. Bollinger Bands show volatility and dynamic resistance support levels. Look at the candle with an upper shadow bounce off the upper band and closed inside the channel. That's a classic not allowed higher signal with a probable return toward the middle band first signal. Next, MACD shows direction and momentum. The histogram shifted from green to red into the negative zone and it's already expanding down. The MACD line and the signal line crossed and are diverging downward. Momentum shift into bearish. Second signal. All signals point to success. Probability of continued decline is higher. While I wait, here's a tip. Wait for a small pullback and enter short only when a new red candle appears. That way you avoid entering on a spike and catch the move more precisely. And my trade closes $1.92. The move worked well and now my balance is $1.92. So let's keep going. So I'm ready for the second trade and I've already found a good signal combination. Likely the price will rise in the next 3 minutes, so I'm opening long with a full 1.92. MACD lines converged and turned upward, ready for a bullish move. The histogram moved into positive territory. Green bars keep growing. This shows weakening of bearish pressure and momentum shifting for buyers. The lower Bollinger Bands acts as dynamic support. The price pierced the band, quickly returned inside, then a series of green candles followed. Such a bounce from the lower band often leads to a return to the middle or upper band. Great signal, probability of a short upward move is high. Candles also confirm. At the lower band, a reversal group forms, green bodies cover the previous red. Lows are higher. Clear buyer activity. So I'm waiting for the close. And I got plus $3. Great, my balance now $3.69, step by step gaining momentum. If you'd like to dive even deeper into trading and see more breakdowns like this, join my Telegram. There you'll find strategies that do not always make it to YouTube. The link is in the description, message me and I'll add you. Moving forward, I see strong indicator signal, so I'm entering short with a full $3.69. The price touched and pierced the upper Bollinger Band and instantly bounced down. That's a classic not allowed higher signal with high probability of moving to the middle band or even lower if momentum is strong. MACD line and signal line are converging and crossing downward. The histogram is shrinking, turning towards zero. This shows weakening bullish momentum and sellers gaining the advantage. Candles confirm a strong red candle with a solid body swallows part of the previous green growth, rejection of higher prices. All factors aligned, probability of a short drop to the middle band is high. And my trade closes plus $7. Perfect. My balance now is $7.08. Alright, so I'm continuing. Great mood and ready to finish this session with one more trade. I see where the chart is headed, so I'm opening a short for the full 7.08. Price touched and pierced the upper Bollinger Band, then returned inside. Visible upper shadow plus a strong red candle after. Classic rejection at resistance. High probability of move at least to the middle band. After a green phase, the histogram shrinks. MACD and signal lines coverage and cross downward. A sign bulls are weakening and bearish impulse starts. Structure changes to lower highs. Red engulfing candle breaks local support, sellers take control. Probability of further decline is very high, so I'm waiting for the close, and I got plus 13. My balance now is $13.59 in just 4 trades. So let's sum it up. Day 1 of the marathon, I started with just $1 and I ended up with 13.59. Now I know it's not that impressive, it's just the beginning, but that's the whole point of this series. To prove that even from the smallest amount of money, you actually can make it to something much, much bigger. So in the episode 2, I'll start right from here, and my balance will grow even faster. At the same time, the risks will be higher as well, but I think it all makes it just more interesting. Also, there will be new chart formats, new trading setups, and much more. So believe me, you don't want to miss it. So I do hope you can subscribe and like this video. So let's see if I can keep up with the pace of the market and make another leap, or it'll crash me dramatically. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.